Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today I will show you when you are about to find the frequency distribution table using the website chakirware.com tool. If you put unnecessary commas or unwanted commas, what's going to happen? Let's click here. Let's assume some data are 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, and at last I put a comma. This particular comma is unwanted. Because of this comma, the computer or the mobile device will assume that there's a 0 at the end. In other words, it will assume that 0 is the lowest number or lowest data value. Okay, as you can see from here. So range of the data is 18. How? Because since the lowest value is 0 and the highest value is 17, so difference is 17 plus 1 equals to 18. So let's use class width 4, and they are also showing that minimum value is 0. So let's put 0 here as the lower limit of the first class. So this is the frequency distribution table now. Now let's click here. Instead of putting an unwanted comma at the end, let's put an unwanted comma in the middle. Like let's see 12, 13, 15, and as you can see I have put an unwanted comma here between 15 and 17. There should be one comma, but I have put two commas, and because of this the computer, there is no comma at the end of the data, but there is an unwanted comma between 15 and 17. There should be one comma, but I have placed two. Because of this extra comma, the computer will think that the minimum value is 0. There's a 0 between 15 and 17. So when I press OK, as you can see, the lowest number is 0. And the range of the data is 21. How? Because the highest value is 20 and the lowest value is 0. So the difference is 20 plus 1 equals to range of the data, which is 21. So let's enter class width 5, and since the minimum value in the data is 0, naturally I should put the lower limit of the first class as 0. So now this is the frequency distribution table. Okay, let's see. Since we know that actually our data starts from 11 or 12, let's try something like this: 12, 14, 16, 19, an extra comma, and then 20, 21. Let's see. Since I know that the lowest value is actually 12, not 0, so entire class length is 4 or 5, but this is what the catch is. I know that the minimum value is actually 12, not 0, so I choose it to be 12, and here it is. So as you can see, once you have made a mistake like putting an extra comma, there is no getting away from this. The last class interval, as you can see, is 0 to 3, and this has a frequency of 1. So be careful when putting commas during the when you are about to use our tool to find the frequency distribution table of some data. Okay, so that's all. Have a nice time. Thank you.